Hey everyone, let's build some pool floats that are scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 4x4 round plate with a 2x2 opening. This is going to be the base for a simple inner tube. I'm going to take another 4x4 round plate with center cutout that's transparent clear. It's very basic, but it makes a nice inner tube. For a duck float, start with a 4x4 round plate. Let's set down a 2x2 flat tile right in the center and a 4x4 transparent clear plate with center cutout. Place it right around the tile. Now you can pick a stud, any stud is fine. Set down a stud on top. Then I'm going to take a 1x1 modified plate with holder, place it right on top of the stud, and a 1x1 by 2/3 plate with bow for a little duck float. For an air mattress, start with a 2x6 plate. I'm going to set down a 1x2 transparent light blue flat tile on the bottom. Then I'm going to set down a 1x2 plate. This one is transparent yellow. The studs on the plate are going to be used to anchor down a minifigure. Then I'm going to proceed on with 3 more 1x2 flat tiles in various transparent colors. So I have an orange, light green, and light blue. And for a little pillow to rest our minifigure's head on, 2 1x1 by 2/3 slopes. Let's make another air mattress slightly different, starting with a 2x6 plate. Let's set down 2 1x1 round transparent flat tiles on the bottom. Next, set down a set of transparent studs. These are going to be used to help anchor down our minifigures to the air mattress. So we're going to proceed on with 6 more round 1x1 transparent flat tiles of various colors. You can use any color you wish. It just spices up the air mattress a bit. And a set of 1x1 by 2/3 slopes for a headrest or pillow.